In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn auto refresh mode on or off in ClickUp. If you want your dashboard data to update automatically as changes happen, auto refresh can be very helpful. On the other hand, if you prefer a more static view while reviewing information, you may want to turn it off. The good news is that ClickUp makes this quick and easy to manage. To begin, start from your home workspace in ClickUp. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the dashboard section. This is where you can access the dashboards available in your workspace. Go ahead and click there to open it. Once you're in the dashboards area, choose the specific dashboard you want to modify. This is important because the auto refresh setting applies to the dashboard you currently have open. So if you manage multiple dashboards, make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. After you select it, the chosen dashboard will appear on your screen. Take a moment to confirm that you're on the right dashboard and that the widgets or data you want to monitor are visible. This helps avoid changing the setting on the wrong page, especially if several dashboards look similar. Next, look for the auto refresh option. When you find it, click it to toggle the setting on or off. If you want your dashboard to keep itself updated automatically, turn it on. If you'd rather control updates manually or reduce distractions from changing data, turn it off. This simple toggle gives you flexibility depending on how you use the dashboard. There's also another way to access this setting. In the upper right corner of the dashboard, you may see a three-dot icon. Click that menu, and you can also turn auto refresh on or off from there. This is a useful alternative if you prefer working from the dashboard options menu, or if the main toggle isn't the first thing you notice on the page. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where to look, changing auto refresh mode in ClickUp only takes a few seconds. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference in how you view and manage dashboard data. If you're actively tracking updates, keeping it on can save time. If you need a steady view while analyzing information, switching it off may work better for you. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to turn auto refresh mode on or off in ClickUp.